Hello everyone, good to see you. It's raining all over France today and we had to look for a place with a sunny weather. We found such a place and it's a town called Courthezon. Located in the Vaucluse region, it's one of the rare villages that has retained its medieval authenticity. The weather is mostly sunny, a bit cloudy, but I think it's going to get better. That's why we are here today shooting a new video. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go! In this town we'll see a lot of beautiful fountains, the remains of a fortress preserved from 12th century and the park with a castle, where the town hall now operates. Such a cozy place to sit and relax. Wow, this tree is really beautiful. The village is well irrigated with an extensive network of canals. The rivers Petite Rouennelle, La Grande Mare and La Seille flow through the village. Unfortunately, the fountains are all switched off. Perhaps in the summer the fountains will be back on. It is strange, all the cafes are closed today, but we found a boulangerie. Now we will go in and get some baguettes. In almost every park in France, we can find these insect hotels. Their purpose is to attract insects and encourage them to stay in the park, because they pollinate flowers, decompose dead matter, fertilize the soil and serve as food for the birds. Insects find their place again to improve biodiversity.